Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about something a little bit different, the Oculus Quest. Don't worry, it is still 3D printing related. Hey guys, so yeah, it's been a rough couple of months for me, and I apologize that I haven't posted a video in a long time, but I am back and hopefully we're going to get some more content out on a more regular basis. Thank you for your support and thank you for staying with me. Please consider subscribing. I really want to continue building this channel, and join us on Patreon if you want to. So first off, I want to talk about this Oculus Quest and how 3D printing is related to it, or what I did with 3D printing to make this a better product. This Oculus Quest is an amazing product. I am so impressed by this product. When I first bought it, I was a little bit reluctant to do so, and I decided to take the plunge and buy it, and I am so glad I did. This thing is far better than I expected it to be. So when I got it, I knew it was a standalone unit, and I was quite excited about it, and I thought I'd give it a try, and it just exceeded my expectations by a long way. What I really love about it is that it's a completely standalone unit, okay, and you don't need a PC, you don't need any computers or anything to run this, but the but is you can, if you want to connect this up to your PC and even get better performance out of it, you can connect it up to a relatively powerful PC. You need a PC with a good graphics card. But that's something else I'm going to be playing with shortly. But there's a lot of games already on the Quest store, and you can buy them and you can enjoy this Oculus Quest. The VR is so immersive. So I really am impressed with this unit, and really was excited to get it and play with it. And it's very entertaining. I use it for work, I use it for play, I use it for exercise, which I need a lot more of. But yes, this little unit here is it's a very robust unit. It's very well built. Facebook have done an amazing job with this thing. Yes, you need a Facebook account, but that's a whole different video. That's a whole different set of conversations and all that. So yeah, the quality of this unit is absolutely amazing. Playing as multiplayer is also great fun, and I've really thoroughly enjoyed it. I've been wanting to get into VR for a long time, and I believe that this is really the first unit that is made it accessible to everyone. The price is $299 on Amazon, which I think is incredibly well priced. It's a really well priced unit. It's not cheap. I think they subsidize the prices by the games that they sell and that kind of stuff. And the games are not that expensive. They range from about $9 to about $30, so $10 to $30, and yeah, it's great. It's great fun. One of the problems I have though is wearing glasses. It can get a little bit uncomfortable on your face for a long period of time, especially with the standard strap on your face for a long time with glasses. It does work, okay, but it's awkward to take the unit off, and yeah, I don't enjoy it with the glasses on as much as I do it with the glasses off. But because of my vision, I can't see it well with the glasses off. So I had to come up with a solution. But before we get to that, so how do you like this little stand that we printed here off Thingiverse? I'll post the link to that below. And also another thing is the tracking. When you've got your controller in your hand and you've got the Quest on, it's quite freaky to see this thing come towards you in the Oculus Quest. So it does a rendering of this, which is incredibly accurate. It's got touch sensors, so it knows where your finger is, and it just really is an amazing piece of technology. So as I was saying with the glasses, I had to have a solution. I had to find a solution. So I did find in America that you can buy these attachments where you can put lenses in them, and then use it without glasses on them. But here in South Africa, it's difficult to get, and I own a 3D printer. I printed the stand, I printed this attachment that goes on the back of the head to make it more comfortable, and it works like a charm. So I had to have a look. And I went onto Thingiverse, did a bit of research, and I found this, okay? Well, I found a good couple of designs, and I printed out. I tried all of them, printed all of the designs, and then I finally settled on a set that is now inside the Oculus. And it was quite fun. I actually went to my optometrist got a new pair of glasses, and then said to them, would you be interested in a little side project, for me to give you the 3D printed adapters and for them to fit lenses in to my prescription and see if it worked. So on that, I actually just want to give a special shout out to Sandesh, my optometrist, who did an amazing job, to David, who was part of the guy who designed and made it fit into here. He's on the technical side, and Nikita for all her excitement and she got very involved in this and very excited about this whole project. So I got this all done, and there's a little shout out. It's not a paid sponsorship. This is because I appreciate what they did. Okay, so a shout out to Classic Eyes and Pavilion. Guys have always, over the years, I have gone to Classic Eyes and got my glasses, and they've always done an amazing job. They're an incredible bunch of guys, and and very reasonable, very, very well priced. Guys, go check out Classic Eyes and Pavilion and speak to Nikita. So that's my little shout out to those guys. Great bunch of guys, and they got this right. So I'm just going to pop this cover off. Okay, so you pop face cover off. I bought a external face cover because it's slightly more comfortable, and you'll see that the inserts are there. Okay, so there's the inserts, right? And these can be removed, so they do just pop off. Okay, and there's little clips that are printed on the bottom and on the side, and that clips onto the lens here. Now, I just want to warn you, if you do this printout, it's finicky. It is finicky to get this into the right location so that it attaches, although I've got quite used to it now, so that was quite quick. When I was doing this video, before I was going to do this video, I thought to myself, this is going to be embarrassing because I'm going to mess this up so many times taking this on and off, and I'm not going to be able to put it back on. But that popped on beautifully. It just sits there, and they never pop off during gameplay. It's made it so much more comfortable, and it's enhanced this Oculus to the next level. So now I don't have to wear my glasses where it presses up against the side of my head here. It's a lot more comfortable. Enjoy the gaming. Guys, check out the Oculus on the Amazon. I'll put a link below. I think I've even got an affiliate link, so I'll try that. Let's put an affiliate link below if it is. And check out this Oculus. It is great fun. It is really incredible. And if you own a 3D printer, you can print out these lens holders, take them to your optometrist like Classic Eyes, and they will fit them for you. And it's really well worth it and super exciting. I love this product. I absolutely love playing in VR, and I'm excited to see where the future of VR is going to go. I think we finally got into the future of VR. So check this out. Let me know what you think of this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a subscribe if you like it. And let's build this channel, and let's try and get back into this channel and really grow this. Guys, please stay well. Oh yes, another thing, before I tell you to go, this thing is great for when you're in lockdown, because I've made friends online. We play games together, we play online together, and it's great for lockdown. You can go into VR meetings, VR chat, have chats, and talk to people and all that. So yeah, exciting product. As you can see, I love this product. I'm really enjoying it, and it's an exciting product. Guys, thank you. Check back soon for more videos. I'll be posting another one soon, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.